Welcome to the third and final installment on the work example started in the previous video. Still using the same textbook, work example 1.3. Same question as the previous video, but solve using UK annex to EC2, where the values of K1 and K2 are different, 0.4 and 1 respectively. Use the same equation on K balance. Move it to the top. Plug in the numbers to the equation. 0.8 is the proportion of moment after redistribution. 0.4 is K1 based on the UK annex to EC2. 1 is K2 based on UK annex to EC2. We get the answer to be 0.152. If you are to look up at the moment redistribution table, we'll get the same value for K balance for the redistribution of 20%. We store the value of K balance at the bottom left and proceed to calculate the value of K using this equation. Plug in the numbers. 230 is the moment imposed on the section. 10 to the power of 6 is the conversion factor from kilonewton meter to newton millimeter. 260 is the width of the section. 490 is the depth of the tension reinforcement. 25 is the concrete cylindrical strength. The answer is 0.147, exactly the same as the previous section, simply because we use the same variables. Which is smaller than 0.153, the value of K balance that is calculated earlier. This means compression reinforcement is not required. We store the value of K at the bottom left and move on to calculate the lever arm. We use this equation in order to utilize the value of K that we calculated earlier. Plug in the numbers. 490 is the depth of the tension steel. 0.147 is the value of K calculated earlier. The answer is 415 millimeter. This is the equation we use. Store the value at the bottom and move on to calculate as 8 tension steel. This is the equation we use. Plug in the numbers. 230 is the moment imposed on the section. 10 to the power of 6 is the conversion factor from kilonewton meter to newton millimeter. 500 is the steel strength. 415 is the lever arm calculated earlier. We find the answer to be 1274 millimeter square. Here's a table comparing the results from all three videos. Seems that only the UK annex eliminates the use of compression steel. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. This concludes the presentation on moment redistribution. Goodbye.